captain's going to get us a little closer to these cliffs up here. Now these cliffs, they're around 700 meters, around 2,200 feet high. Now this rock is a granitic gneiss, more than 1 billion years old. It is often referred to as a groove-full basement complex. It underlies all other rock types on the west coast and northern peninsula of Newfoundland. And in studying these mountains, geologists have learned that the roots of this mountain chain can extend down into the earth at least as deep as the height of the mountains themselves. So at one time, these mountains may very well have been as high as the Himalayas. Now all that remain are these ancient uplifted groups. The long-range mountains extend from Port of Aspen all the way to St. Anthony, and they are the northeastern portion of the Appalachian Mountains. Now we can swim across the pond and start to go up this very narrow valley to our right. This would be done in early spring when it's still covered with ice and snow, making it easier for the caribou's trek to the top. Now once on top, there's a windswept plateau called the Big Level. This is where hundreds of caribou would gather and have their young. Now we have approximately 400 caribou in the park right now, although these numbers do fluctuate because they are a migratory animal moving in and out of the park through the year.
À gauche, on peut voir le ravin Woody Pond. D'après les aînés du coin, les caribous prennent ce chemin durant leur migration printanière. Ils descendent cette vallée, traversent l'étang et ensuite remontent la vallée à droite. Très étroite qu'on peut voir à la droite du bateau. À ce moment-là de l'année, les vallées sont remplies de glace et de neige, ce qui les aide à atteindre le sommet. Si vous suivez la vallée à droite jusqu'en haut du sommet, vous allez apercevoir la vallée des Gros Morne. Au printemps, des centaines de caribous y vont pour donner naissance à leurs petits. En ce moment, il y a environ 400 caribous dans le parc qui vivent et en sortent tout au long de l'année.
Doing a video. Beautiful. Wow.
Well, what's coming up down the right here is our most miles, from which we left the dock back at the waiting area to this little dock you see coming up here. Now this is a drop-off point for seasoned hikers who want to do the long-range traverse. This is a 35-kilometer hike from here to the base of Gros Morne Mountain. It's around a 4 to 5 day trek. Keep in mind there are no marked trails from that